Welcome friends. In this video we are going to discuss about Python random number. The name which already so define so many things. Okay, random. If I will give in a range from 1 to 10 and print random number, any number between 1 to 10. So it will print the 2, it will print the 3, it will print 4, it will print 7, it will print 10, any number. So random number means it will going to return any number within the range, and it is inbuilt module is present inside the Python which helps us to return random number. How? See. So Python does not have random function to make a random number, but has a built-in module called random that can be used to make random numbers. So here we are going to be print or display any random number between 1 to 9. It is going to be written, that is a random range 1 to 10. So 10 is the end border. You cannot exceed, you cannot return random number above 10, and it will return in between below the 10, that is 1 to 10. Okay, import the random module, display random number between 1 to 9, 1 and 9. So how it will going to be work? Import random dot random rand range and 1 comma 10. Fine. So let's see in practical how it is going to be work. So create a file, that is a random.py, and here import random. Okay, import random, then print random dot random rand range. Rand range is the function start from 1, stop 10, and step is going to be increased by 1. Okay, it is return you, it is define you how the function is going to be work. First is the random, then random is the name of the module, then dot is connector which connect to the function, that is rand range, then is the beginning part, there is the end part, and there is the number of differentiation, means how many differences the next number is going to become. So first we run the code, and here random has no attribute rand range, most likely due to a circular import. Just a minute, what I am going to be write here, there is any random 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 rand rand range range. Okay, so I will suppose to that one is going to be return problem, so I will directly write, and also there is also return random has no attribute rand range. So it is going to be not return if the module is not going to be work properly. Okay, that is the most likely due to circular input. Okay, that's a point. So first we are see that, because I already test it. Okay, because I already test it from here, so here it works. Print random rand range, print random dot rand range 1 to 10. Okay, and it is work here. See, I will show you here. Run the code and see. Just a minute. Just currently working here, work that, but now it is not going to be work. First of all, no, it is not working properly now. Fine, import random, and it is generally. So if there is any installation is going to be done, I will install first pip install random. If there is any module is going to be installed, you can install it, but it's not going to be installed the random. Okay, error, and it not satisfy the requirement of random version which is unknown, that's why. Fine, so here random is not going to be work. First of all, here I am tested here but working at that time, but currently it is not going to be work. No problem shows here. Fine, so first of all, another time, last time I will run it and check. Okay, sorry, it is not going to work properly. I will change it now. Wait. Now I get the point why this error is going to be come, because my file name is same as the module name. That's why it is going to be written this error: partially initialized module random has no attribute choice. Okay, so it is my mistake to change the rename the file name. Okay, first rename the file name python underscore random. Okay, I check this thing, it's work properly. Then type conversion, here I am saying that it is also working here. But why it is not going to work now when I going to be record this video? It is the main reason I create the file the same name, but that is module name. Okay, so that's why it is generally creating a error, attribute error. So now I am going to run and it return you 4. Fine, it's going to be return you 4. So first I delete the all the out code, then clear it, then run it another time. Here 6. Number of time, number of times what is going to be run, then run the code, it will return different random number is written within the 1 to 10, within the 1 to 10. See, within the 1 to 10, any random number it is going to be returned. Okay, it is written this. If there is another here I am define 1 as a difference. So see what is happened. 1, if I going to be 3 is going to be here. 7, 1, 7, 1, it is repeatedly comes out because it is a random number which is also create a differences of 3, then it is comes returns to the that number. It is repeatedly comes out 171717. That's why you only write in this way: random rand range, beginning number, start number, that is a 1, end number, that is a stop number, that is a 10. Within these two numbers you are going to return random numerical number, and that is in the number format, int format, that data is going to be written. Fine, if you have any doubt, go through comment section and write down there. And if there is the issue is going to be very, if there is any issue of your comment, I see there is making a video on that particular issue, I make that video. Fine, please like, share and subscribe, follow this channel. Thank you.